So this is Baruch here, and this is, I guess, my third shear from the balcony. It's a TZFAT balcony shear. One of the things I find about many places in Israel, in Jerusalem, all over Eretz Yehuda, everywhere in the north, is how everything seems to be in order, but it's much, much bigger than it looks. If I was to start, say, like, try to walk from this side, I think this is Meron over here in that area, those buildings. There is a loop road that goes around from Tzfat over to Meron, and halfway down is where what they say is the Idris took place. So these different places around here are all surrounding. It's very, if you could drive around it, it's not so far, maybe 5 miles. But if I was to walk from here over to there, I don't think you could make it. It's just much, much bigger. It's just one of the phenomena here that it looks. Okay, so let's get down here into this interesting idea. We're working on the concept of the basic Knesset, and we'll just see as much of it as we can today, short shiur. So I'm going to bring this down and go like this. The Rav writes like this. So first of all, the Tiv brings us a little, we're on page here, Kofi. Baby, there you go. Page Kofi Ches, down the bottom. The Tiv brings us Akdama and Niknas, the basic Knesses. Now you're coming into the basic Knesses. Ma Yikave, what should be your Kavanah here? Ma Yombabik Nisasa, what should be said when a person is coming in? Says that Niknas, the basic Knesset, Sarabli Zahar Ma'od, the person had to be very careful. Lihis Akev Ma'at, to hold himself back a little bit. Not like this synagogue where I go now, where people come late, everybody's running in. It's a general idea to run in. So he said, at the time of Pesach Kodesh Yakones, he should wait a little bit. B'lecharos atzmo yara, so let show himself to be a person who has Yirah Shamayim, v'chared, and he says trepidation, b'zdaz, shakes a little bit, meaning to say that it should penetrate us. V'hikones behechel malkul shal olam, to come into the palace of the King of the universe. V'inyan zeh, so this idea here, moel ma'od, is very, very helpful. Al shlemer shel ha'adam v'al hasaga, that is, on the completion of a person and also of what he's able to achieve. Al sod ha'pasuk mikdashe tirol, this is the secret of this pasuk, and my holy place, you should have trepidation there. Gam zeh masha kaseh b'gemara, this is also the concept of the Gemara. B'inyan achitophel, Shalom de David, the love of Shalom, pasuk b'beis elokim, and the halak b'regesh. So we have to figure out what regesh means. So he says that's with feeling. So the Hafitobel, he taught to David Melech, David love of Shalom, he writes, pasuk b'beis elokim, and the halak b'regesh. You should go there with sensitivity. Ramas gam came in the b'regesh. So what's regesh mean? She is ragesh anavi is daza. So a person should have tremendous. Feelings should come arrive. Become alive. That's what I want to say. Be a zaza basic and so, and then he should have trepidation, shaking a little bit. Doesn't mean outside. Just make yourself shake. It means that kind of trepidation, because of basic coming into basic shuhu basic knesses, which is the basic knesses. That's it. Share today.